Okay. We didn't know how to make ice cream, so we went to a website that tells us what we needed, how to make it, and I guess tips. It's called. We're on our way to get rock salt because we don't own any at my house. And we're probably going to go to the store sideways. Went to Walmart Food Center, and CJ's wearing shorts and a t-shirt because he's gay.
Picking up rock salt.
Picking up rock salt for our project. Entering through the exit.
Because we're cool.
She's got enormous lips. For this experiment, CJ, we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's the sugar we have. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
Yay.
6 tablespoons of rock salt. Rock salt!
Kinda.
It's actually sea salt, but we think it'll work. 1 pint-sized gallon bag. 1 pint-sized Ziploc bag.
That one.
Duh. And 1 gallon-sized Ziploc bag. And ice cubes. That's figurative. We're going to be using more than that. Fill a large bag half full of ice and add the rock salt. Seal the bag. Okay, CJ, for step 1, you take the large gallon bag and fill it half full of ice. That is obviously less than half full. So we'll have to go over here and get more. Hold on, let's go. Doggy!
That's why I hated the big red thing.
Okay. And now fill it full of ice. Well, not full of ice, just mostly full of ice.
This is gonna take forever. You should stop recording.
I should, but I'm not going to. Because this is step 1. Alright, that's good.
That's not.
Yes, it is. I'll beat you.
This isn't gonna be enough.
That's going to be more than enough. Half full. We're going with half full. Okay.
Take enough.
That's half. That's obviously half. That is half full. Now now we need to measure out 6 tablespoons of rock salt. Alright. 1. You missed it. 2.
Joy.
3. Oh no! 4. 5. 6. Yay! And we seal the bag. That's the end of step 1. Step 2. Put milk, vanilla, and sugar into the small bag and seal it. For step 2, you add 1/2 cup of milk, or half and half. Where's 1/2? Oh, there it is.
Hey, look, it's Pyrex.
You're Pyrex.
That was uncalled for. Put it on the table or on the counter.
Okay. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Pure vanilla extract. There's a seal on it. There's 2 seals on it. What the hell?
School video.
We're editing. edit it out. It'll look like those Japanese movies where they don't talk just right. Hi.
Look a dog! We're gonna have to completely edit this part out.
Oh yeah.
I look the camera sideways.
Oh God, no!
You idiot.
Looks like Coca-Cola. Quick, get the small bag and open it. Use my hand. You add 1/4 extract vanilla, 1/2 cup of milk.
Looks disgusting.
It is. It does look nasty. And last but not least, what is it?
Sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar. I got a feeling that this is not going to end well.
I got a feeling.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. There we go. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we seal it. Look at that. Delicious.
Chicken round.
Actually, no, this looks nasty. I'll get out.
That doesn't look terribly nasty.
Alright, hit pause.
That's the end of step 2!
Place the small bag inside the large one and seal it again, carefully.
Okay, CJ, here's one for you. Step 3. Take the large bag, open it, take the small bag,
And
put it in... I was going to say that. And put it inside the bag.
I can shoot it. And seal it?
Then seal it again. Carefully. Don't be dangerous. And that's the end of step 3, I guess.
Small bag inside the large.
Step 4. Shake the mixture until the mixture is ice cream, which takes around 5 minutes.
Okay, CJ, here's step 5. Take the bag, the large bag, hold it with both hands, and then shake the living crap out of it for about 5 minutes until it turns into ice cream.
Step 5. Wipe off the top of the small bag, then open it carefully. Enjoy.
Oh, that feels like ice cream.
Step 5.
Enjoy.
Wipe off the bag.
Then enjoy.
No.
What's step 5?
Open up the bag.
Oh.
Get a spoon. Oh my god. Look at that. You getting that, camera? That's ice cream that me and CJ made.
Hold on, I'm trying to look down the bag.
That's what she said.
Oops, going the wrong way.
Get 2 spoons.
I'm
And
not-
enjoy with your... Not
Lives
so
on first bite.
homosexual- No, I get the first bite. Fine. Wait, no, we'll both get a bite. Ready? Hold on.
It's better not taste bad. Do you have any chocolate syrup?
Ooh, that'd be good too.
Let's do that next. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
First impressions?
That's awesome! there are a few questions that need to be answered when making homemade ice cream. Can you do it? Yes, it's very easy. You just watch us do it. Is it delicious? Very. Are there different variations of ice cream that you can make at your home? Yes. Lots. You can make the all-time favorite vanilla, the classic chocolate, or the exotic strawberry. But let's get into more chemistry-related questions. The science behind making ice cream at your home. Well, let's first answer freezing point depression. The freezing point depression is, well, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. By adding salt to ice, it makes the freezing point of the water go down, and it takes more energy for ice to melt. Now, that being said, why do we use salt? Well, we use salt to obviously lower the freezing point, which goes back into freezing point depression. But we use salt to make the ice absorb even more heat from the surrounding area, thus making the bag of milk, sugar, and vanilla, which is our ice cream, freeze even faster. Now, why would we stir? Well, we would stir to obviously speed up the reaction time. But we didn't stir. Instead, because it was in a bag. Instead, we shook it up, which is also a form of stirring, which prevented the large ice crystals from building up, which makes the texture smoother and more pleasant on the ice cream. Emulsification. Well, the definition of emulsification is putting one liquid into another immiscible liquid, such as soap. Emulsifiers keep ice cream texture smooth and distribution of fat molecules throughout the colloid. The molecules are suspended in a water-sugar structure along with an air bubble, which obviously makes the texture of the ice cream smooth and more delicious, which ties into stirring, and stirring would tie into the freezing point depression, where that would tie into the use of salt. So all of these four things, freezing point depression, emulsification, the use of salt, and stirring, all tie in together to make your homemade ice cream.
That was CJ and Wes's presentation.
Get some.
Roger that.